Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got a Paclock 98 Pro here from Speedlocks. We're gonna pick this just to give it a good little run, see how we do. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it. I'll stick it right back here. Y'all can see it while I move the vise. Alright, let's bring it on back. Find an Allen wrench. Oh shit. I'm sure I got one that fits. Too small. There it is. Make sure I'm keeping that in frame reasonably. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. And checking out the core, you can see we got some threading on 2 and 7. So we got a spool out of focus. Come on. Now I'll just do a close-up on that. But we got a spool key pin on 4 and 7. Let's check out what's in the. Alright, shit. Got a serrated on 1. A little T-pin spool. Another spool. A standard. Another spool. Let's go from the other end. A serrated. And another serrated. Let's zoom in on these. I can do a better job than that. And that's just some crud from my pin and tray. There we go. You can see what we got there. This is the Speedlocks 2021, I believe. Yeah, 2021 tournament lock. So sorry for the shaky cam. There we go.